Morning children, today we are going to start the chapter heat, class 7. So before understanding the heat, you just have to feel the heat, don't take it otherwise. It means you have to feel the situations, the conditions on which you can means increase the level of the temperature. That is the heat actually. Let's say for an example, if you burn something, let's say wood or anything else, so you will feel the radiation, am I right? The radiation which leads to the heat, So in this picture, this I'm talking about. So in this picture, you can see the wood and other parts is burnt here, and whatever you will feel is due to the radiations coming towards you from that burning material. Not only this, if you just look at the example of the sunlight reaches to you from the sun, so you will feel hot, am I right? If there is a sunny day, even you are not able to stand outside for a long time just because of the burning of the sun. So what it means? It means there is a lot of heat present on the sun, as we call it a fireball. The heat with the help of the radiation travels from the sun towards the earth. That radiation leads to the heat on the earth. Actually, heat is the main source of energy. That heat I'm talking about coming from the sun. So sunlight is the main source of energy on the earth. So plants do the photosynthesis from this, and so on, the process going on. Now whatever we are doing around us is having a reason. Let's say the woolen clothes are obtained from animal fibers, am I right? Now woolen clothes are generally dark in color and are worn in winter season, as they protect us from the cold environment. So woolen clothes are obtained from the animal fibers. It means animals, they don't need the clothes because their fibers, their fur help them, protect them from losing the heat from their body. It will keep them warm in the season of winter or when it is extremely cold, as you can have the example of the polar bear. So the polar bear can survive on the poles also, where extremely cold is over there. Actually, there is a 6-month day and 6-month night. At the time of the night, they are just in the process of the hibernation, where they are just sleeping and means storing their energy so that they can survive for a long time. Okay, that is the another part. Just come back to the topic heat. So hot and cold you have to feel first of all. So what to do? Just take the water in two different utensils. Let's say utensil A, and then you are having utensil B. So utensil A, just pour some hot water into it. Pour some hot water into it. Hot water. And in utensil B, just pour some cold water into it. Just pour some cold water into it. Now just put your hand in your two hands into two different utensils for a period of time, let's say 1 or 2 minutes. Now what will happen? You will feel the coldness of the water. Let's say right hand in the utensil B and the left hand in the utensil A. So you will feel the coolness, the coldness in the right hand, and opposite means the hotness in the left hand. Am I right? Now just exchange the hands. Now after 2 minutes, exchange the hands. Now you will feel that the hand which is hotter, means the left one, when you will insert it into the cold water, so you will then feel what? You will feel that the heat is releasing from your body. Heat is releasing from your body. In the same way, when your right hand is into the first utensil, means in the hot water, you will feel that the heat is coming towards your body. Am I right? So what I mean to say that the heat can travel, or you can say that the heat is transmitted from one point to another with the help of these objects. Now in this example, your hands are the means the medium, but sometimes whatever you are having around you will become the medium of the heat, and the object which leads to the heat to be travel into it or which allows the heat to travel into it, to pass through it, are known as the conductors of the heat, and the objects which doesn't allows the heat to pass through it are known as insulators, So here in the notes it is written about the conductor or the insulators. Here it is. So insulators which doesn't allow heat to pass through it, and conductors, these are the conductors actually, the copper, the aluminium, the gold, they are the conductors of the heat. So what you have to do, guys, you just have to read the notes as much you can, and I will just attach some questions also into it. Whatever the problem you are having with you, you just ask to me. The rest of the session we will do the next time. Until then, thank you and have a nice day.